Hi folks, welcome to the channel. My name's Colin, call sign MM0OPX. Bit of an ad hoc video this. I'm actually on a family holiday. I'm up here in the northeast part of Scotland. So the town of Embo, Echo Mike Bravo Oscar, near the bigger town of Dornoch. It's a holiday park, quite famous here in Scotland. It's called Granny's Highland Hame, or Grandmother's Highland Home for those who don't speak Scots. But it's got a beautiful beach here, as you can see in the background. It's about 8 o'clock local time. Got the antenna, I've got the radio stuff in the backpack, and hopefully we're going to play a little bit of radio. I'm not quite sure what conditions are going to do, but just a absolutely fabulous location, as you can see behind me. I've came over here, the camera. I'm actually just going to set up here. Down here I want to set, and that gives me a little bit of shelter from the wind. That kind of direction is North America, so hopefully I'm assuming that, I think that's where I'm going to get most chance of getting some DX. But we've got a lot of bird flu here in the UK. It's really rife, and here's a sad example of that. I think this is a guillemot, could be wrong, but going along the beach, it's just littered with them. It's a real shame. Birds that, you know, they just won't move when you walk past them, and they're obviously just suffering, so not a nice thing to see. But anyway, I'm going to get set up and we'll see what we can do. So got things set up here. It was kind of busy earlier with a couple of families, but it's quieting down a bit now. So I've got a 10-metre spider beam set up. We've got my new QRP 64:1 end-fed half-wave set up. These stakes that I'm using, these are sand stakes. This is the first of me using them, and I'm actually really impressed how they went in. So no complaints at all. Obviously there's zero wind tonight, which makes it even better. And then I've just got it running over there. But we have got a QSO on the log, so I don't actually believe it. So the very first QSO in the log with this antenna is this one, Brazil PY2JY, and that's who's actually talking at the minute. I'll let you hear that QSO a little bit later. It took me about 2 minutes to make it, so he gave me 5 and 7, but I don't believe I was anywhere near 5 and 7. But the main thing is, you know, making it down to South America. So what's that? 8,000 miles, something like. 10 watts, simple antenna, no doubt the saltwater making the difference.
Mikey Zero, Oscar Papa, over.
Oscar Papa X-ray, 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 Oscar Papa X-ray, Oscar Papa X-ray, QSL.
Roger, Mikey Zero, Oscar Papa X-ray, calling Summers, over.
Roger, you're 5 and 9, 5-9, 59, over.
Thank you, my friend, thank you. Here's São Paulo, Brazil, Papa Yellow 2, Japan Yellow.
Mexico 0.
Okay, Mike Zero, Ocean Papa X-ray, Mexico 0, Ocean Papa X-ray, is that correct?
QSL, 58, 5 and 8, over.
Okay, QSL, maybe we could copy you, okay, but I understand the 100% local side, I guess, Mike Zero, Ocean, Papa, X-ray, we're going Papa, 1 Kilo Victor. Your signal here is 3x4 here in Brazil, Roger?
He's telling me I'm not hearing anything from Europe. And only CL5RBW called him. I would assume that he would have a big pileup, and he was like, he started with 20/9 and went down to about 10/7. So it's changing rapidly. I'll spot you, Russ, and enjoy. I don't think I'll stay late. It's already midnight, so we'll try again tomorrow. Maybe it will improve. VE9FI, ES5 Triple T.
Yep, take care, all the best, and we'll catch you later on. Take care.
So just going to wrap things up here. Should have had some warmer clothes. It's about 9:30 local time here. Just getting a little bit chilly. Band conditions really not good. I know that everyone says that's the excuse, but I was just listening to Rust VE9FI, and he has got a huge signal from New Brunswick. Well, normally he has, and well, you've just heard them saying they're talking to a station in Europe, and the band conditions are just not great. I think the K index was up at 5 or something like that. But on the bright side, we've got a few contacts in the log there, 4 in total, 2 into Brazil, and one of those special event stations in the States. I can't remember what it was for again. Was it for, I don't know if it's for the colonies, that's what it is. So that was great. That was on CW, so that was nice. So 3 contacts across the Atlantic, and the first one into Brazil, well, first QSO on the little 64-1 Unknown. So I'm absolutely over the moon with that it's working. I'm here for a few more days with the family, so if the weather is good and I can get some free time, then I think I'll certainly come down here, and hopefully band conditions are going to improve and we'll be able to get a few more DX contacts in the log. But certainly not complaining. That's a nice way to christen the antenna. Okay guys, 73, all the best. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.